So this is a big container, but this is vegetable glycerin, I think, and it's 100% pure food grade, pure natural, and multi-purpose, no preservative, no free of dyes and fragrances, and additive, food grade and pharmaceutical grade, vegan and gluten free. So let's see. It's a natural moisturizer to help keep your skin soft and smooth. It also lubricates and conditions hair and is used in a wide variety of skin and hair care products, creams, lotions, soaps, shaving creams, and other personal care products. It's very versatile. So we're going to see. I'm going to open it up. Sorry if you can't see. It's such a big container. Let me smell it first. It really smells like nothing. And it's such a clear liquid. I don't know if I can like get some. Give me a minute. It's like it feels very thick, but it's completely clear, and look how shiny it is. Bro, this would the back of my hand is always dry. So let's see. Let's try it. Oh wow, it doesn't feel greasy at all. It's a little sticky, but not greasy. And it completely hydrated my hand. And since it's like, I have a rash right here, but since it's free of like everything, it won't irritate my skin right now, which is perfect. But let me keep massaging it and see. Yeah, it's not sticky anymore. Not as sticky. I think you have to give it time. But it hydrated instantly my skin. Usually right here is very dry, plus with all the hand washing I do. But yeah, this is great.